Bitcoin is pumping towards the upside and has been reaching a new all-time high. And in this video, I will be exactly explaining what is currently happening and why Bitcoin is about to be pumping much and much more towards the upside. So this is truly going to be one of the most important update videos I have ever done. So can we once again push up the likes back to a new all-time high just like Bitcoin is doing? That would be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's a short term. And yes, in a short term, Bitcoin has been beautifully breaking towards the upside outside of this falling wedge pattern and has been playing out this bullish divergence. Now, this is of course looking great, but this is all happening because of the US elections. And I've even been saying this in the last couple of weeks. The US elections are going to be the most important thing to right now be having a look towards for the Bitcoin price. And right now, well, Trump is winning the US elections, which is obviously going to be having a bullish effect on the Bitcoin market, like I have outlined for many times. And yes, if we are right now going to be having a look towards the odds, well, we are having about a 94% chance that Trump is going to be winning the US elections. Yeah, the results are still currently coming in, but it is definitely looking like Donald Trump is going to be winning the US elections, and while the markets are already starting to price this in. Now, yes, even though the Bitcoin market is already starting to price this in, well, there are still two major events upcoming, which is going to be massively impacting the Bitcoin price. First of all, of course, the final and official announcement that Trump has won the elections. This is going to be having a massive effect on the market already. But second of all, what's going to be maybe even more important is that when the stock market is going to be opening, well, probably the stock market is going to be pumping huge towards the upside as well, and this is also going to be having an effect on the Bitcoin market, because if the stock market is going to be pumping towards the upside, Bitcoin is just going to be following. So yes, looking very good. Bitcoin is right now reaching new all-time highs, looking good. Now yes, we are trading inside of the month of November. November has historically speaking been a very bullish month for Bitcoin, and yes, we are starting to see Bitcoin pumping towards the upside in the month of November. Well, history is just repeating. In the beginning of this month over here, we have seen a slight little cool off, but we have seen this every single month over here, and then ending of the month very bullish. So we are starting to see the same exact thing happening all over again. Yes, the markets are starting to pump after the US elections, and always after every single US election, we have always seen the Bitcoin price going parabolic towards the upside. So yeah, history is just repeating right now. And I have been saying this, whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking above these previous all-time highs over here, that's going to be the confirmation that we're going to be headed even higher. And that's going to be the confirmation that we are most probably going to be headed towards that 100k level very quickly. So guys, I think it is about to be getting started. We are about to be seeing a massive pump back towards the upside. This rally is about to be getting started right now. Anyways guys, yes, the funding rates are still pretty low. While Bitcoin is reaching new all-time highs, this is still looking very bullish. There's no euphoria and no FOMO at all in the Bitcoin market just yet, which is looking very good. So guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now, well, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can right now claim 10,000 US dollars in bonuses, which is completely withdrawable. And the best thing is, over on Blofin, this is currently the best exchange you can be trading Bitcoin on with no KYC. Everyone is going to be eligible to be trading over on Blofin all around the world. Everyone is eligible to be claiming these bonuses down below. So definitely be sure to be checking it out with that link down below. Sign up a new account over on Blofin and start trading over here. Anyways guys, yes, if we're going to be zooming out for Bitcoin, we are just repeating this the cycle. After the Bitcoin halving, yes, a little bit of consolidation, but after that consolidation, Bitcoin tends to go parabolic after we are getting these Bitcoin hash ribbons flash this buy signal over here after the Bitcoin halving. Well, we have always gone parabolic towards the upside. So yeah, history is just repeating. We are about to be going parabolic right now. Of course, Bitcoin is right now breaking outside of this bull flag pattern over here, and I've been saying this, whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking outside of this bull flag pattern, we are about to be going absolutely parabolic. And yes, it is starting to happen right now, like you can be seeing. Well, this is exactly starting to play out. A lot of Bitcoin liquidity was actually sitting above that previous all-time high. We've been grabbing all of this liquidity, literally 27 billion US dollars of Bitcoin short liquidations were sitting above us. I've been tweeting about this yesterday that it was going to be very likely that we are going to be grabbing this liquidity and a short squeeze was going to be inevitable. And well, just a few hours later, this huge rally, this huge pump towards the upside just got started. So quite funny how this has been exactly playing out. Anyways, Bitcoin is pumping right now towards the upside. But in that longer time frame, while the Bitcoin dominance is still majorly increasing towards the upside, really still compared towards Bitcoin, altcoins are still bleeding in that larger time frame. However, I still do think that inevitably, eventually, we're going to be seeing a big altcoin season again this cycle. Well, it has been playing out every single cycle, so I just think that this time will be no different than all of the previous cycles. So this cycle, it's going to be very likely we are going to be getting another altcoin season again. I think history is about to be repeated. So yeah, what we are seeing right now on that 24-hour time frame, well, we are just seeing a slight pump for all of the altcoins right now. This is nothing compared to what we are about to see if the Bitcoin dominance were to be crashing towards the downside and we are going to be seeing a massive altcoin season. We are about to be seeing much more gains being made with altcoins. So guys, anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.